Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Math classes. In the last class, we discussed some questions from 21st Jan 2026 first shift. Let's go remaining questions. Here, the next question is if mean and variance of the observations. Okay, if mean and variance of the observations are x, y, 12, 14, 4, 10, 2, or here mean value is 8 and variance value is 16 respectively. Where the x value is greater than y, then find the value of 3x minus y. Okay, find the value of 3x minus y. So here these are the observations and 8 is the mean value and 16 is the variance value. So find 3x minus y is. Okay, so first we need to find mean. Mean is nothing but mean means what? Sum of all observations by total number of observations. Sum of all observations means x plus y plus 12 plus 14 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2 whole divided by how many number of observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is equals to, in the question only given mean value is 8. Okay. So 8. Simplify this. We get mean is equals to x plus y. Okay. So 12 plus 14 is 26, 30, 40, 42. Okay. So answer is 56 minus 42. 56 minus 42 is equals to 14. Okay. What is the x plus y value? Mean value. Mean is equals to x plus y is equals to 14 is the answer. Okay. So this is mean value. Now variance. Variance means okay. Variance. What is the variance formula here? Sigma square is equals to 1 by n. Sum of I is equals to 1 to n fi into xi square minus mean square. Okay, mean square. So sigma square value, variance value already given, that is 16 is equals to 1 by n means 1 by n, that is 7 observations. Summation of fi into xi square means summation of this observation squares, that is x square plus y square plus 12 square value is 144 and 14 square is 196 plus 4 square value is 16, 10 square value is 100 plus 2 square value is 4 minus m square. What is mean here? What is the mean value here? Mean value is given 8. So 8 square, 8 square. Simplify this equation, we get x square plus y square is equals to 100. X square plus y square is equals to 100. Okay. So we know here x plus y is equals to 14 and x square plus y square is equals to 100 means using the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So x plus y value we get 14. So 14 square is equals to x square plus y square means 100 plus 2 into x into y. So 14 square value is 196 minus 100 is equals to 2xy. So 196 minus 100 is 96 is equals to 2xy. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. So what is the xy value? 48 is the answer. 48 is the xy. So we know once basic formula, the sum of the two roots is equals to 14 because here we need to find x and y. Okay, 3x minus y means first we have to find x and y. Okay, so x and y means using the basic concept, sum of two roots is equals to 14, product of two roots is equals to 48 means find the quadratic equation. What is the formula here? For quadratic equation, what is the formula? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So here x square minus sum of two roots x plus y is equals to 14x plus alpha into beta x into y is equals to 48 is equals to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Applying the splitting of middle term, we get x value or 6 comma 8. Okay, 6 8 is 48. 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. Clear? X values are 6 comma 8 means if X value is 6 means Y value is 8. Okay. And in the question observe here in the question given X is greater than Y. Okay. In the question given X is greater than Y. Sorry. X is greater than Y means shall I solve here? Sorry. X is greater than Y. In the question only given condition X is greater than Y. X is greater than Y means here X is equals to 8, Y is equals to 6. Okay. X is equals to 8, Y is equals to 6. Now simplify this in this equation. 3x minus y is equals to 3 of 8 minus 6 is equals to 8 3 is a 24. 24 minus 6 is equals to. What is the answer? 24 minus 16 is 6 is 18 is the answer. Okay. So 18 means option A 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. Clear? Yes. Next, go to next question. Here, f if f of 3 is equals to 18, if f of 3 is equals to 18, and f dash of 3 is equals to 0, and f double dash of 3 is equals to 4, then the value of limit extends to 1. Okay, ln f of x plus 2 by f of 3 power of 18 by x minus 1 whole square. And here this you observe. Okay. So limit using the formula. Okay, here given question is limit extends to 0. Sorry, limit extends to 1. Okay, limit extends to 1. F of x plus 2 by f of 3 whole power 18 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the question. Observe here, we know on small formula. Okay, that is limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, and f of a plus h by f of a power 1 by h square. But here in this question, constant is given 18. Okay, okay. So 1 by h square, and the condition is f dash of a is equals to 0. If f dash of a is equals to 0, this is the formula. Limit h tends to 0 and f of a plus h by f of a power 1 by h square and f dash of a is equals to 0, then the direct formula is f double dash of a by 2 into f of a. What is the direct formula here? F double dash of a by 2 into f of a. So here, but here in power observe here, same limit h tends to 0, ln f of x plus 2 means f of a plus h, f of a means f of 3, and 1 by h square. But here constant is there. So for this 18, f double dash of a, f double dash means f of a means here f of a in the question given f of a means okay f dash of a is equals to 0. F dash of a is equals to 0 means f dash of 3 is equals to 0 given. Okay, f double dash of a, f double dash of a means here a is nothing but 3. Okay, f double dash of a means here write f double dash of 3 by 2 into f of a. F of a means f of 3. Okay, so 18 into f double dash of 3 is nothing but 4 by 2 into f of 3 means 18. Okay, so 18 cancel and 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So what is the answer here? 2 is the answer. This is the correct question. Okay, without any detailed explanation. So this is using the formula direct we have to solve this one. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.